People think Shiva was always alone. They forget that before he chose silence, before he became the great yogi, Shiva loved deeply. Welcome to Cammy the Story Teller. This is how that love happened. After Sati died, Shiva withdrew from the world. He left society. He left celebration. He left attachment. He went to the mountains and lived as an ascetic, silent, distant, unreachable. To everyone else, Shiva looked finished with love. But the universe was not. Parvati was born as the daughter of the mountains. From childhood, she was drawn to Shiva. Not because of power. Not because of fear. She understood his pain. Parvati believed that Shiva did not hate love. He was afraid of losing it again. So she chose a difficult path. Parvati did not approach Shiva with beauty or noise. She chose discipline. She meditated. She fasted. She lived simply. Years passed. Shiva noticed, but he tested her. He sent distractions. He sent doubts. He sent fear. Parvati did not move. That was when Shiva understood something important. This love was not desire. It was commitment. Shiva finally accepted Parvati, not as a possession, as an equal. Their union was not loud or luxurious. It was balanced. That balance gave birth to a powerful truth. Shiva and Parvati merged into a single form. Half male, half female. This form was called Ardhanarishvara. It meant something clear. Creation needs both strength and compassion. Power without softness destroys. Love without strength collapses. Shiva was not complete alone. Parvati was not complete alone. Together, they were whole. Shiva returned to the world, not as a warrior, but as a householder. With Parvati, he became a husband. Together they raised children. Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, and Kartikeya, the warrior. Shiva was still powerful, still dangerous when provoked. But now, he was also patient, playful, and protective. A god who once lived in ashes now lived with family. This story is not about romance. It is about balance. It shows that even the strongest beings need partnership. That isolation is not strength forever. That love, when grounded, heals even gods. Shiva did not lose his power by loving Parvati. He refined it. And once that balance was complete, only then could Shiva walk away from the world again. Not broken, but fulfilled. Thank you for listening to Cammy the Story Teller. If you enjoyed the story of how a god learned love, balance, and family, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting stories.